the U.S. federal budget is not on a sustainable path. That is
well, let's stop right there. The federal budget is not on a sustainable path. So why did these knuckleheads pass the budget that they passed? I mean, they're never going to live this down because we're never going to be able to live it down. This spending was so atrocious and increased the baseline so high that the Democrats and Barack Obama, I guarantee you, couldn't believe that they couldn't get that when they were in control. That's how horrific this spending was last month by the Republicans, and the president should have vetoed it. This is so much crap, it's unbelievable. The individual income tax matters a lot because it is the largest single source of U.S. revenue, and its share has risen in recent years. Now, did you hear what they said? Because it's true, we've talked about this. The individual income tax is the biggest source of federal revenue. Corporate income tax, I've seen estimates anywhere from 9% to 14%. That's it. So the individual in this country bears the burden. And the problem is fewer and fewer individuals in this country bear a bigger and bigger burden for the entire government. Now, a government like that is trouble because that means people who don't pay taxes, even more, people who don't pay taxes, but when tax time comes around, they get a check. In essence, it's a welfare check. You're in this income category, you get a check. They don't call it welfare, but what the hell else is it? To put it in left-wing terms, the tax is even more progressive than it was under Obama, with the biggest tax cuts in American history. And what the charts don't show is more and more people were moved into the no tax paying category. So essentially, households that earn $50,000 or lower, I'm not talking about payroll tax, I'm talking about federal income tax, pay no federal income taxes, none. If you are, and you're in that category, you better get an accountant, get that figured out, because you're not supposed to be paying anything. These are not the biggest tax cuts in American history. On the individual side, it is an absolute mess. And I've talked about it over and over and over again. It falls on deaf ears, but it's true.
For more, sign up for Levin TV.